health is the #1 most valuable asset that you have, because without it, nothing else matters. And it doesn't matter how much money you have. It doesn't matter what car you drive, the watch you're wearing, or the spicy senoritas that you're slaying. Gentlemen, if you're not healthy, it doesn't matter. Today, I'm going to go over 6 ways that you can be healthier in 2020. These are lifestyle modifications. Nothing too drastic, nothing too crazy. Simple little things that you can do that make a big difference in terms of your health. Starting with #1. Stop focusing just on building muscles. Gentlemen, it is about having a well-rounded fitness program. This is going to help you be healthier. There are 3 components to every fitness program. They include muscle building, which is the weightlifting, which is fun, which makes your body sexy looking. The second component to a well-rounded fitness program is cardiovascular exercise. Cardio helps strengthen your heart, your lungs, not to mention help you not get skinny fat. And #3, you need to stretch your body. Gentlemen, it is about having all 3 of those components in your weekly workout routine, all right? You need to lift weights, of course. There's nothing that's going to change your body more than resistance training. Hit the gym, do some bench press, squats, deadlifts, the 3 big lifts, lift weights, and then do cardio. Run, or a walk, or a hike, or a bike. There's nothing better for me than getting outside, hopping on a bike, and just going for a cruise. It's a great way to get fresh air, vitamin D, not to mention it just feels incredible. Big buys, chiseled abs, that's what I was worried about, right? Stretching, flexibility, who cares? I look good with my shirt off. That's what matters. Well, I've come to realize that there's a lot more to overall health than just looking good and having big, strong muscles. Gentlemen, it's about having flexible, limber, pliable muscles that are going to allow you to live longer, healthier, without injury. Guys, I highly recommend that every single day you start stretching, whether or not it's for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or you want to go like next level and do maybe like a yoga class or something like that. Guys, I'm telling you, the more limber, the more flexible you become, the healthier you will be. The second way to be healthier in 2020 is to eat a better diet. Now, hold on. Before you're like, yo, Alpha, I don't want to eat salads. I'm sick of salads. I didn't even freaking like salads. Gentlemen, neither do I. That's the beautiful thing, and that is not what I'm talking about. Too often, people think that when you gotta eat healthy, you gotta eat salads and all sorts of boring, untasty shit. And that is one of the main reasons why diets just don't work, because they think that you've got to give up all the good stuff in order to be healthy. When the reality is, what I would recommend is focus on the quality of food that you're actually consuming. Less processed foods, all right? More whole grains, more vegetables. Also, the meats that you're eating, less hormones. Free range, no antibiotics, no like added hormones. I try to eat as healthy a meat as possible. And the beautiful thing is that with people getting more health conscious, there are a lot more options. And so you can go into like a regular grocery store now and typically have the choice between like free range chicken and not, or pasture raised beef or not. Now, you're going to pay a little bit more, but for me personally, I feel it's worth it. The third way to be healthier in 2020 is take your vitamins. There's more to health than what meets the eye, and it is critical that each and every one of you fill in the nutritional gaps that your diet may be lacking. Guys, if you want to take the first step in getting healthier this year, there's a link down below to today's video sponsor, Ritual. Essential for Men. It is a multivitamin, but this is not your daddy's multivitamin. The Ritual Essential for Men contains 10 hard-to-get nutrients, all right? It fills in the nutritional gaps that your diet is lacking, right? The ingredients are pretty awesome. They have zinc, vitamin A, folate, vitamin K2, D3, omega-3, DHA, which is amazing, magnesium, boron, vitamin E, and vitamin B12. Guys, this is next level in terms of quality. It is also next level in terms of deliverability. When you get them, you're going to be like, damn, they look super cool, because the capsules are actually designed and developed to help you like in multiple ways, all right? #1, you can take these on an empty stomach. They're not gonna make you all super nauseous. No like additives, there are also no like shady fillers. The other cool thing, this dissolves in your small intestine. That's a big deal, because that means you're gonna be able to absorb more of the nutrients in this multivitamin than others. And because of the whole like beadlet in oil design, it's actually going to release nutrients in 2 different phases, which is amazing. Guys, here's the deal. If you are ready to take your health to the the next level, you got to hit that link down below and go sign up today. It's ritual.com/alpha-m. If you hit our link, they're going to give you 10% off your first 3 months of Ritual. And then once a month, Ritual is going to send you your 30-day supply. And then once you get it, you open it up and place it somewhere that you're not going to forget or that you're going to remember. And then all you do, guys, you take 2 capsules once a day, and that's it. Now, one trick that I would like to share with you, if you're somebody who has a tough time like remembering to take your vitamins, what I'd recommend is set them by like your toothbrush. You know that you're going to be there. And so for me, I like to take mine at night. For about $1 a day, that is all it's going to take for you to take your health to the next level. Guys, I'm telling you, this is an amazing product. If you are not taking any vitamins, or you're taking some, but you're not really sure if it's high quality, you got to check out Ritual. This is next level stuff, and I am a firm believer that you guys are going to love it. Guys, hit the link down below, ritual.com/alpha-m, to get 10% off your first 3 months of Ritual. The fourth thing to be healthier in 2020 is to get better sleep. To do that, I would recommend make it cold, dark, and naked. Cold, dark, and naked. Those 3 things are going to help you get better sleep. Now, another aspect to getting good sleep is sleeping long enough. It is critical for you to figure out a way to get 8 good hours, quality hours of sleep a night. Now, this may mean that you got to go to bed an hour early. This may mean you might not want to bring your phone in the bedroom because you're laying there surfing. Guys, when you're surfing, the blue light, it affects your like circadian rhythm, all sorts of not good stuff. Gentlemen, get better sleep and you will be healthier in 2020. The 5th simple thing that you can do to be healthier in 2020 is to drink 120 ounces of this. 120 ounces. 1 gallon of water a day should be your goal. And what's going to happen is you are going to be amazed at all sorts of amazing things that happen to your body. Not only are you going to feel better because you're hydrated, which is critical for you kicking ass, you're going to look better. Your skin is going to be clear. Your bag's going to go away. You're also going to look better naked because you're not going to be retaining as much water because you also did number 2, which is clean up your diet a little bit. Guys, one of the most important things that you can do to be healthy is to stay hydrated. If you are somebody who is drinking a lot of caffeinated beverage, this is hurting that. If you are somebody who drinks a lot of alcohol, this is hurting that because both of those, caffeine and alcohol, dehydrate you. And since we're talking about alcohol, let me just toss this out there. One of the best things that I ever did was to get my drinking under control. I used to be a binge drinker. I used to get blackout drunk. I used to drink way too much. I think I had a problem. And when I finally got it under control, I quit for 6 months with nothing because I wanted to quit actually chewing tobacco, which was another thing I was trying to stop because I didn't want to die of cancer, and it was a bad addiction. And so one of the things I had to do was stop drinking. And something amazing happened. Every single aspect of my life got better. I looked better, I felt better, I wasn't as like chubby, I also had better relationships, and I wasn't as angry and pissed off all the time. Not to mention, I slept better. Something else that'll change your life is number 6. The 6th way to be healthier in 2020 is to forgive yourself for effing up and move on. It's time, gentlemen. It is time to stop living in the past. It is time for you to stop beating yourself up, for you to stop being mad at people in your life. It is time for you to forgive them. They say that forgiveness is a gift that we give ourselves. I'm not saying that people haven't done crappy things to you, but they're human, right? People do the best job they can with the hand that they were dealt. Unfortunately, what I've learned from me is that we sometimes are collateral damage for other people having effed up lives. It's about freeing yourself from all the pain and the anger and the resentment and all the bad, crappy things that have happened to you. It's about you being happy. It's about you releasing it and forgiving yourself for things that you might have effed up, forgiving yourself for things you haven't accomplished. Now is the time. Do not worry about the past. Gentlemen, you are amazing. The future is bright. You are incredible. And after this video, you're also going to be healthier.